Why is my Shopify store not loading and how to fix it? So seeing a blank white screen, an infinite loading wheel, or a server timeout error on your live domain is an absolute nightmare during an active sales cycle. When your storefront stops rendering, you can't just guess at the problem. You need a systematic approach to isolate whether the breakdown is a domain routing issue or a broken theme script. Today we are walking through the precise technical steps to identify exactly why your Shopify store isn't loading and implement the correct mechanical fixes. Okay, now step number 1, checking the global status and domain layer. So before changing anything inside your theme, we must verify the core platform infrastructure. So just open up your browser and go to status.shopify.com. So let me open up Google and just go to Shopify status. There you go to the second one. And then go to this link. So if all systems are green, the bottleneck is localized strictly to your store instance. So then just log into your backend Shopify admin dashboard. It's typically this. If the backend loads perfectly, but the front-end storefront is dead, I'll look down at the left sidebar menu and then click Online Store right here, and then select Domains. Or if you don't have it here, you can just go to Home, and then go to Domains in here, Customize. And just check the status indicator right next to your primary custom URL. If it reads Setup Incomplete or Expired, your DNS records or domain registration has lapsed, now breaking the connection path to your web host. So as you can see in my case, status is in green, connected, which is no problems in my case. And now step 2, which is neutralizing app and theme script collisions. If your domain status is perfectly healthy, but the storefront is still completely blank or frozen, a code error or third-party tracking app has likely broken your layout. So inside your themes panel, locate your live theme. So we need to go back, go to Online Store, locate your theme, and then next to your theme, in my case it's Horizon, click on these 3 dots and go to Added Code. Okay, and in the file layout tree, you need to open the layout folder and click on or search for the theme.liquid file. So just type in theme, liquid. As you can see, this is what we need. Okay, and if you recently pasted a custom HTML tracking snippet or integrated a new application block, you can look right beneath the opening head tag, then highlight recently added script line, delete it or wrap it in our comment tags to neutralize it, and then save to see if your front-end canvas instantly recovers. So just delete that piece of code wherever you have it and then press on save. And testing your platform's connection layers step by step prevents you from panicking and modifying stable configuration settings during a critical downtime window. If this mechanical troubleshooting guide helped you restore your digital business infrastructure, make sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel.